You can create PowerPoint presentations in less time. If you find yourself taking a long time to create or change your PowerPoint presentation, you are probably doing all the work that PowerPoint can do for you. Start with a PowerPoint template. PowerPoint is a very smart program in the sense that it will assist you in creating a professional presentation with great ease. To do this, you need to have a presentation template that has been built correctly, so choose one of the suggested templates. Choose the right slide layout. Each slide needs to match up to the right layout to ensure that PowerPoint knows what to do with your chosen content. The options are endless and fully customizable to your unique needs. The presentation layout options can combine your image, text, video, tables, and charts in multiple ways. If you correctly match the content to the layout, PowerPoint will automatically include your brand formatting styles from your template. Make smart content choices. As you create all the parts for your presentation, there are choices that impact the level of automation that PowerPoint will apply. Make smart choices for the styling, font and coloring of your content built into your template. Now give it a try to make all the smart content choices to ensure you create your PowerPoint presentations in less time. DigiCoco offers a comprehensive range of PowerPoint presentation design services and is based in Johannesburg. We can serve clients globally. DigiCoco has been assisting many companies and business executives in successfully transforming their work with PowerPoint to create their personalized PowerPoint presentations in significantly less time. Remember to like and subscribe so we can make more videos.